Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So from the jump off, you know what to do. Press that big fat juicy red button below and subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social medias, Twitter, Snapchat and Instagram. So today I'm talking about my facial hair. It's a very triggering subject to me and it's a subject I'm very embarrassed about. More embarrassed than sleeping with a married man. Links to that video above. The methods and the products I use to kind of help me live a smoother life in the world of facial hair. I've been having facial hair for, girl, I don't know, for a long time, probably a teenager. The only places that the hair didn't grow was in my bloody eyebrows, but everywhere else, and my edges. But everywhere else, hair was growing rapidly. So I decided to wax. So waxing's been my thing for the last 2 and a bit years. I've waxed my face myself. It's been the best method for me. I just wanted to show you some of the products that I use when waxing my face. I use these waxing strips from Poundland. I get the body ones. I don't get the ones specifically for the face because I find them too small and you have to go through so many to get a good result. The strips are really, really big. And when you separate them, basically you have 2 waxing strips. Another thing I do use is the hair removal cream from the same brand, also a £1. I use this for my upper lip because let me tell you, I cannot wax my upper lip. I think it's impossible. It's so painful and I just can't do it. Shock horror, today I'm going to be waxing my face for you to show you how I wax my face, the products I use from the beginning to the end. You're all going to see my waxing strip. I'm so embarrassed. But here we go. So first of all, I will take off the makeup in the area that I'm going to wax for you today. So basically, I'm going to be waxing my sideburn area. Scoop my little bit of frizz behind my ear. I use the Ordinary Cleanser to remove my makeup. This is also from Amazon. If you want me to do an Amazon haul, let me know because, girl, I order from Amazon every 3rd day of the week. And just wipe away the makeup from that selective area. Let it air dry. They say to rub it like this in your hand. No. I get my hairdryer. Give it a bit of a blast. Not for too long. Once you finish blow drying your strip, your wax, you will see, becomes very mobile and will start moving around the strip. Once you get to that point, rip these 2 edges apart. Keep one to one side. This is where the magic happens. You then have to focus on where you actually want to place the strip. So I know that I want to place it in this area. I would hold back my hair, place it down, and then wipe in a downward motion. You can see that the wax has gone see-through, so it's attached to my skin. I hold up this section, pull my skin very taut. I do a couple of deep breaths and then I just rip off. And my face is now smooth. So I didn't have that much hair as I do normally. You can still go over again, pull back, hold taut, rip. Nice and smooth. There shouldn't be any remnants really of the wax on your face. If there is, you put it off like that and it will take off the wax. It doesn't really hurt at this point. Then close it up so it doesn't stick anywhere else and put it to one side. If you've never done waxing before, do a small area, wax it, see how your skin reacts, because I don't want you to do such a large area and your skin reacts to the wax because that won't be cute. Then get my Ordinary Rose Hip Oil. Put a little bit in my hand, just like literally a tiny bit because it is quite full on, quite greasy. So you just put a little bit on your face and just work it into the skin and it leaves your skin so smooth. So you should be able to rub your face and you shouldn't feel any stickiness or anything on your face. So that's what I do to remove the hairs on my face. I do want to have laser treatment in the future. I'm trying to find a great laser clinic that deals with darker skin tone, because not all laser clinics deal with darker skin tones. So you need to find a really, really good one that you can invest your money in to get the best results. Yeah, this is what I do every 3 to 4 weeks. It's kind of the norm for me. And if I'm going on a date, I might have to wax even more. If I'm gonna have some sexy time, I need to do a real good wax. But yeah, I think it's a thing that we don't talk about enough, and I think a lot of women go through this. We need to get to a point where we don't feel embarrassed about our facial hair. It's just our genetics and our hormones. Let me know what you do to deal with your facial hair, if you have facial hair, if you don't, if you used to but you got over it, if you've had laser treatment. If you've had laser treatment, let me know. Like, if you're from the UK, you've had laser treatment in the London area, please let me know, because I need some recommendations ASAP. Enjoy this video, leave me lots of comments, smash that like button, and yeah, I'll see you next week. Bye.